Okay, guys, welcome back. It's Kmat. I know you like this question. I like this channel. I know you subscribe already. Let's solve this one. X to the power 9 plus x to the power 6 is equal to 36. This question is similar to the one you said x cubed plus x squared is equal to 36. Probably if you watch a video like this, I think, and we're using a secret method to solve this one. That's the same method we're going to solve this other one. Don't be frustrated because you are seeing these names up here. What we can do first of all, since it's student 9, this is actually a homemade question just to show you some manipulation to be used in solving question like this. Okay, just open your mind. This is made for everybody, even if you are old. You can just watch the video just for fun. It's not as if you should prepare an exam to watch this type of video. Okay, x to the power 9 can be was x cube. Okay, we should have that. Plus x to the power 6, that is x cubed and squared is equals to 36, because this is like multiplication. It's not addition. Take that into consideration. It's not like x to the power 3 plus 3. No, it's 3 times 3 because it's like the power. Okay, that's what we are going to be having. We can just say that y is equals to x cubed. You're asking yourself, why am I saying this? Is just like to reduce the equation, to not be too cumbersome. You know, when you have a question like this, make it a bit small. So get it in small form before solving. Don't go and chop your head here trying to solve x to the power 9. There will be 9 different values of x. Wow, imagine. Okay, let's come back to our cup of tea. Hence we have y cubed plus y squared equals to 36. I know you can solve it. We bring the 36 here. We know that 36 is what? 9 3 cubed plus 3 squared. That will be 27 plus 9. That will give you 36. Okay, hence you have y cubed plus y squared minus 3 cubed plus 3 squared. From our secret method, I will not show much. If you want to see more, just take a look at this video. I'll show you. Okay, we have y cubed minus 3 cubed plus y squared minus 3 squared equals to 0. Hence, when it's cubed, we know that is y minus 3y squared plus 3y plus 3 squared, that is 9, minus, when it's y, this is y minus 2 and y plus 2. We put a plus here, don't forget, because we take this one from that principle. I know someone forget, or maybe it's your first time discovering this channel. We know a cubed plus b cubed, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. It's not two ab's, it's ab. And you have a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b and a minus b. That's what we have, and that is what we apply here. Okay, you see it? Okay, I'm sure. From this point, what are we even doing? Oh, damn, that's amazing. Here is 3, so y plus 3 and y minus 3. So that we can take y minus 3 as a factor. Taking it out to have y squared plus 3y plus 9. Sorry for my handwriting, I'm just here. Plus y plus 3. Okay, you have this at this point. I'm sure this question you're going to end it by yourself, because I will just show you what to do. You have already one value. Let's just draw a line here. We take y cubed outside. Then y cubed y minus 3 equals to 0, which implies y is equals to 3. Hence, 3 is equals to, hence x cubed is equals to 3. Oh, then x cubed is equals to 3. That is it now. Since y is that, hence we can apply ln here and ln here, which implies 3 ln x. How can you even do that? No, that's not what you're going to do. We have what? X cubed is equals to 3. What you can do is do the cube root, or to the power 1/3 here. To the power 1/3. Hence x is equals to, which implies x is equals to 3 to the power 1/3. That's our answer. The cube root of 3. Okay. Hence we move on to the next one. We have already eliminated this other man. Let's solve for this one. We have y squared plus 3y. 3y plus this, that will be 4y plus 9 plus that will be 10, 12. Okay, is equals to 0. That's the next section. We can use the formula method. That will be y is equals to -4 plus minus 4 squared minus 4ac. What's our area? That is short. out of this. Automatically looking at this, even you don't have to really think again. This one will give a complex because 4 square is 16 and 4 times this is 48. You are going to have 16 minus 48. That will give something imaginary automatically. You can just ignore this man. I know you know how to solve it. Just solve this one and give me the answer here in the comment. This minus this, you just use the method and put in I and give me the answer in the comment. That's your homework. This W, that's your homework. Hence, we just conclude that the unique value true. This man actually x is equal to 3 to the power 1/3. So that it's even automatic. That is logical. Are you thinking about it? Yeah, because we have x cubed here, x cubed here. If x is 3 to the power 1/3, that will just come back to the same, because if you have 3 to the power 1/3, all that cube. So this man will cancel. You have 3 to the power 1/3. This man will cancel. You have 3 cubed plus 3 square, and that will be equal to 36. That's typical. That was just a trick, because if you know already how to solve this one, the initial question that was from that other video, I know you know it, that is x cubed plus x squared is equal to 36. We had the answer as 3. That was a unique value. Now, if we cube this man and cube this man, you have just 3 to the power 1/3. You see, if we can, someone can just give you another question. We can instead put to the power 4. That will be also 3 to the power 1/4. You see, that's something logical. Imagine 3 to the power 5 here. Let's hide it. 5. Automatically, the answer will be something like this. You see, as long as you're going, if you have 10, I'm sure a video like this, we are going to make a video of this sort. That will be a homemade question. Just take it up here. That will be x to the power what? 3 times 10. That will be 30 plus x to the power 20 equals to 36. You see this question and you say, oh, Jesus, this is impossible. Although the answer will be x is 3 to the power what? 1 all over 10. That's automatic. That's the answer. Are you saying it with me? Yeah, that's the answer. Very easy. Oh, yeah, start reasoning. What the fuck? How will this question also be a question like this? Imagine to the power next year will be 2025, something like this. I don't know what we have here. I don't know by what we multiply 3 to have 122, 2025. I don't know 2025 divided by 3. It cannot go. I don't think. We are just looking at a question like this to this shit. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'm enjoying it actually. Thank you.